There are several ways to select multiple objects on Snaptrude. The first method is the standard marquee selection. Simply drag your mouse from the left to the right to select specific objects. All elements within the selection box will be selected. Another method is the right to left marquee selection, which is slightly different from the left to right selection. In the right to left marquee selection, all elements that are even partially within the selection box will be selected. However, in the left to right selection, only the elements that are entirely within the box will be selected. A third method involves using the filter selection in the Filter tab. Here, you can select elements by story. To select all elements of a level, click on the checkbox before that story. You can also specifically select some elements within those stories. For example, if you want to select only the doors or slabs here, click on the checkboxes of these elements in the Filter Selection tab. Once selected, you can isolate, hide, or edit them as needed. Here we see only the doors and slabs from the third and fifth stories that were selected have been isolated. Lastly, you can also multi-select objects directly from the Story tab. To do this, click on the arrow button next to the respective story and click on the Select All option. This will select all the elements within the story. The difference between story selection and selecting the respective story is that you can only select one story at a time in the latter, whereas in story selection, you can select multiple stories at once. You can then hide, isolate, lock, or edit them as required.